Hello students, so welcome to our next session, that is our third session on measure of central tendency. So we are doing problems on mean, arithmetic mean. So we discussed about individual series, then discrete series, and even continuous series problems were done, and how to convert from inclusive to exclusive, and then how to calculate and so on. Okay, so what if they give less than or greater than problem? So calculation of mean from less than problems. Okay, so write down, this is the next method. Calculation of mean, that is arithmetic mean from less than series or class intervals. Okay, so write down the question. So this is question paper problem where this is problem from question paper. I don't remember from which year, but this is the problem from question paper. So write down the question paper problem goes like this: x less than x less than 10 to 80. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. Okay, then the frequencies. So this is less than x less than 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80, and here the frequencies goes like this: 4, 16, 40, 76, 96, 112, 120 and 125. Okay, so now you have to calculate arithmetic mean. So according to me, the simple arithmetic mean is the direct method. So for this problem I'll only do the direct method. For practicing you can do the indirect method or the shortcut method at home. Okay, take that as an assignment. Okay, now when it says x less than 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so you can write, so the class intervals also goes like this. Okay, less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70, less than 80. Okay, now the actual class intervals which we consider will be, okay, so when you are doing this, directly go for exclusive class intervals, because again from exclusive converting and all will be a tedious problem. So let us take here from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Again I'm telling, this is the question paper problem which was for 10 marks. Okay, and what is the frequency given? Okay, the frequency given is 4, 16, 40, 76, 96, 112, 120, 125. So anyway, don't total the frequency. Yeah, you need the total of frequency, because this is what is n. So just total the frequency, pause the video, total the frequency, and what is the formula for calculation of mean? So x bar is equal to sigma fx by n. So here you have to calculate sigma fx. Before calculating fx, find out what is x. X is nothing but the midpoint. So 0 to 10, what is the midpoint? 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. So how did you get these values? 0 plus 10, that is upper limit plus lower limit by 2. Upper limit plus lower limit by 2. That is 10 plus 0 by 2, which is 5. 20 plus 10 by 2, that is 15. 30 plus 20 by 2, that is 25. Okay, so this is x. Now you have to calculate fx, that is multiply these two. 4 5s are, yeah, you have to just multiply these two. 16 into 15, you will be getting 240,000. 2660. Okay, simultaneously I want you also to calculate and do, otherwise you won't understand if you directly copy. So 75 into 125 is 9375. Now you have to total this up. So when you're totaling, when you're calculating, okay, keep adding it into m plus. When you keep adding it into m plus, then finally if you give MRC, your total will be present over there. Okay, automatically the answer will be adding up. So this is what is sigma fx. So what is the total you have got? I have got 31,575. Whereas what is the total of this? Okay, so the total of frequency is 589. Okay, now let us substitute the values for this formula. So 31,575 divided by 589. Okay, divide and see what is the answer you will be getting. You will get 53.61. So this is arithmetic mean for the above problem. Okay, so I have covered the lesson frequency also. One more important a topic from this arithmetic mean is missing numbers, missing frequency distribution. Okay, so I'll do one problem with that missing frequency distribution also. So in case suppose they miss one value, in case suppose one of this frequency is missing. Okay, so how are you going to calculate it? Okay, many times they've asked even in question paper also. So before doing missing frequency, let me do a problem on weighted average. Okay, one problem on weighted average. This is also, yes, another important topic. Yeah, you will get questions for 5 marks or even 10 marks. Okay, so I'll do one question paper problem only for you guys. So for the weighted average, okay, weighted arithmetic mean, this will be denoted by x bar, Okay, this is denoted by x bar under low w, which is equal to sigma wx by sigma w. Okay, now take down one formula. Yeah, take a screenshot of this and write it neatly. X bar w is equal to sigma wx divided by sigma w. This is the formula for weighted average method. Okay, now I'll give you one question paper problem. Okay, that question paper problem, okay, it involves tabulation and weighted average method. Okay, I'll just read out the question. The question is actually given in a para. So our conductor employs three types of workers, that is male, female and children. So they are giving three types of workers. So this is the problem. I will send a screenshot of this problem. Okay, now a conductor is employing three types of workers. Okay, male, female and children. Male, female, children. Okay, to male worker he pays, okay, so to a male worker he pays, that is wages per day. Wages per day. So this is nothing but, this can be termed as X. Okay, so male, female and children. So wages per day for a male worker it is rupees 30. Then for a female worker it is rupees 20. Then for child it is rupees 10. Okay, now calculate the weighted average mean by taking the number of workers as, so the number of workers, this is F for us, this is F. Okay, since we are doing weighted average, this is termed as W. Okay, so it is 15, 10 and 5. 15, 10 and 5. So this is sigma W, that is 20 plus 10, it is 30. So the number of workers are 30. Okay, now this is the question. Now you have to calculate weighted average method. So what is the arithmetic mean formula for weighted average? It's equal to sigma wx divided by sigma w. So sigma w is 30. So what is wx? That is, we need to multiply this column and this column. So 30 into 15, it is 450. Then 250. So total it up, you get sigma wx. Total this up, 450 plus 50, 500, 600, 700. So sigma wx would be 700. So which you are going to substitute the values for this formula, 700 divided by 30, which is equal to 23.33. So I'll give you one more question paper problem. So this is another question paper problem which is asking to calculate simple and weighted average price of coal purchased by an industry for the half year and account for difference between two. Okay. So month, what have they given? January, February, March, April, May, June. And price per person is 42.50, 51.25, 50, 52, 44.25, 54. Then the tons purchased is 25, 30, 40, 50, 10 and 45. Take a screenshot of this question. Let us solve this. So here already in simple method we have done many problems, so it is very simple. Since it is individual series, they have just taken sigma x by n. So sigma x is nothing but the price. Okay, so that is uh, so tons purchased as weights. So here they are adding all the x values. So sigma x by n. So how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sigma x is 294 divided by n. That is 6. So you've got 49 rupees per ton. So that is x, since it is price. Okay. So I want you guys to calculate weighted average arithmetic price of coal purchased and then give me the answer. Okay, anyway, since it is first problem, let me try this out for you. I'll give you another question for your assignment. So simple arithmetic mean you have got 49 rupees per ton. Let us see, when we consider weighted arithmetic mean, what is the value that we get for our answer. So let me calculate this for you. So let me take this down. So weighted average. So what were the prices per ton? So what were the prices per ton? It was 42.50, 51.25, 50, then 52.00, 44.25, 54.00. Okay, how much was total? Okay, give me a second. So this is nothing but the weights. Just give me a second. So what is the total purchases? This is nothing but the weight. So this is 25. This is given in the question. So sigma W would be the total of this, that is nothing but 200. Okay, now you need to multiply these two. Okay, multiply this and this. So this is x, this is w. So here we get wx. So I'll give you some time. Multiply. So 42.5 into 25, how much you get? 1062.50. Same, 51.25 into 30. 1537.50. 50 into 40. This is simple. It's 2000. 52 into 50. This is 2600. 10 into 44.25. This is 442.50. 54 into 45. 2430 0 0. Okay, now just total it up. You will get sigma wx. Total this. Pause the video. Total it up. Don't just wait for the answers, guys. You will not understand. Total it up. You have to do all the calculations. Okay, so this is the total of sigma wx. So what is the formula for weighted average? Weighted average mean is equal to sigma wx divided by sigma w. So what is the formula that we have got here? 10,072.50 divided by 200, which is nothing but rupees 50.3625, which is not the same that we have gotten simple calculation of simple mean, correct? The simple mean value was 59 rupees per ton. This is 50.36 per ton. Okay, so what is the difference between simple arithmetic and weighted arithmetic mean? So in question they have asked the difference between simple arithmetic mean and the weighted arithmetic mean. So therefore the difference between simple arithmetic mean and weighted arithmetic mean is equal to 50.3625 minus 49, that is 1.3625. So this is your final answer and this is 10 marks problem. Okay guys, it is very simple. Only thing you need is addition, subtraction and multiplication. This addition, subtraction, multiplication is that you need not do anything mentally. You can always take calculators. Even for examination room you can take calculators. Calculators are allowed, so you can use calculators and do with it. Okay, now I'll give you one more problem. This is again a question paper problem. I want you guys to do this. Okay, take this as an assignment. Okay, take it down. Comment on the performance of the students of the two universities given below using both simple and weighted average. So you have to calculate both simple and weighted average. Okay, now write down the question. So universities, I am taking Bombay and Chennai. Bombay and Chennai. Okay, so what are the courses? Each one is giving MA, MCom and MBA. Okay, here first thing is percentage pass and students for Bombay. Here same thing again for Chennai, percentage pass and number of students. Okay, you have to write down the table like this. So once this is done, Then take down for MA it is 75% pass. Then for MCOM it is 80%. For MSc it is 72, whereas number of students are 300, 400 and 500. Okay, same thing for Chennai. For Chennai, percentage pass is 68, 83 and 70, whereas number of students is 280, 370 and 490. I want you all to take this as an assignment. Guys, try to solve it. Okay, using both the methods, and you have to tell us which university is better. Okay, which university's performance is better. Okay, take a screenshot. Okay, I think this should be fine for today. Next class we'll be doing missing frequency distribution or missing value or missing number. All that I'll be covering. Again, that is also very important from exam point of view. This is examination question for 10 marks. Okay. So fine guys, have a nice day and take care.